The national flag of India has a horizontal strip of three colors, including deep saffron Kesari at the top, white in the middle, and dark green at the bottom. The ratio of flag width to its length is 2:3. In the white band at the center, a navy blue wheel is there which represents the chakra. Do you know what these colors indicate? The top saffron color indicates the strength and courage of the country. The white middle band indicates peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. The green color shows the fertility, growth and auspiciousness of the land. The design of the wheel appears like the wheel on the abacus of Sarnath, lion capital of Ashoka. Its diameter is approximate to width of the white band and it has 24 spokes. On 22nd of July 1947, the design of national flag was adopted by Constituent Assembly of India. The evolution of Indian flag dates back to the pre-independence era. In 1904-1906, the first Indian flag came into existence and it was made by an Irish disciple of Swami Vivekananda, Sister Nivedita. After some time, the flag came to be known as Sister Nivedita's flag. The flag is comprised of red and yellow colors. Red signified the freedom struggle and yellow a symbol of victory. In Bengalis words, Bonde Mataram was written. It also contained a figure of Vajra, the weapon of god Indra, and a white lotus in the middle. The symbol Vajra depicts strength and lotus purity. Another flag was designed in 1906. It was tricolour flag with three equal strips of blue at the top, yellow in the middle and red at the lower. The blue strip consists of 8 stars of slightly different shapes. The red strip had two symbols, one of the sun and other of a star and a crescent moon. In the yellow strip, Vande Mataram was written in Devanagari script. On 7th August 1906, the first unofficial national flag in India was hoisted in the Parsi Began Square, Green Park in Calcutta, now Kolkata. The flag consists of three horizontal stripes of red, yellow and green color. It came to be known as Calcutta flag or lotus flag. In the middle of it, it is written as Vande Mataram. The red strip had two symbols, one of the sun and other of a crescent moon. The green strip had 8 half-open lotuses on it. It is believed that the flag was designed by Sachindra Prasad Bose and Sukumar Mitra. Let us tell you that unfurling of the flag was being observed as a boycott day against the partition of Bengal, and the flag was hoisted by Surendranath Banerjee to mark the unity of India. On 22nd August 1907, the flag was unfurled by Madame Kama at Stuttgart, Germany. It is believed that flag was collectively designed by Madame Kama, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar and Shyamji Krishna Verma. The flag attained the status of first Indian flag that was hoisted in a foreign land. It was also referred to as Berlin Committee flag. The flag was similar to the first flag except the top strip. In 1917, the Home Rule League adopted a new flag. Let us tell you that Home Rule League was formed by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. It was the time when dominion status was being demanded in India. The flag consists of Union Jack at the top near the hoist. The rest of the flag had 5 red and 4 blue strips. In the shape of Saptarishi constellation, it had 7 stars. It consists of a crescent moon and a star at the top fly end. But this flag did not gain popularity among the masses. In the All India Congress Committee session which took place in Bejwada in 1921, now Vijayawada, at Andhra youth prepared a flag and took it to Gandhiji. The flag was made up of two colors. red and green, and represented the two major communities, Hindus and Muslims. At that time, Gandhiji suggested adding a white strip in the flag that it will represent the other communities of India and the spinning wheel to symbol the progress of nation. We can say that flag was unofficially adopted in 1921. In the history of flag, 1931 year is very important. This year a resolution was passed to adopting a tricolour flag as our national flag. It consists of three colors including saffron, white and green, with Mahatma Gandhi spinning the wheel at the center. It also stated that it bore no communal significance and was to be interpreted thus. Therefore, we can say that this flag was adopted in 1931. The Constituent Assembly on 22nd July 1947 adopted it as a Free India national flag. After independence, the colors and significance remain the same. Only the change that took place was instead of spinning wheel, that is charka, the chakra of Emperor Ashoka was adopted as emblem of national flag. Eventually, the tricolour flag of Congress party became the tricolour of flag of independent India. Modified on 26 January 2002, and after several years of independence, the Indian citizens were finally allowed to hoist the flag over their homes, offices and factories on any day and not just the national day as was the case earlier. According to flag code, any Indian can proudly display the national flag anywhere and anytime but should not disrespect the tricolour. Therefore, the Flag Code of India 2002 has been divided into three parts. In part 1, a general description of national flag is given. In part 2, it is mentioned the display of national flag members of the public, private organization, educational institutions. In part 3, display of national flag by central and state government and their organization and agencies. That there are some rules and regulations how to fly the flag according to 26 January 2002 legislation. The national flag is a horizontal tricolour of deep saffron, that is Kesari at the top, white in the middle and a dark green at the bottom in equal proportion. The ratio of width of flag to its length is 2:3. Width is to length is 2:3. The national flag of India was adopted in its present form during a meeting of Constituent Assembly held on 22nd of July 1947, when it became the official flag of the Dominion of India. A tricolour flag was first accepted by the Indian National Congress in 1931, having charkha in place of today's chakra. The saffron color shows courage, sacrifice and renunciation. White color shows truth and purity in thoughts, and dark green is the symbol of life, prosperity. The saffron color shows courage, sacrifice and renunciation. White color shows truth and purity in thoughts, and dark green is the symbol of life, prosperity. A wheel, that is chakra, in the center of the white stripe is the symbol of progress and movement. The wheel has 24 spokes. The national flag of India by law is to be made of khadi, a special type of hand-spun cloth of cotton or silk made popular by Mahatma Gandhi. Supreme Court declared the right to hoist flag as a fundamental right under Article 19(1)(a) of Constitution in 2002. The flag was designed by Pingali Venkayya, an agriculturist and Indian freedom fighter. The flag was hoisted first time by Sachindra Prasad Bose in 1906 in Calcutta and later on in the year 1907, another tricolour flag was unfurled by Madam Bikaji Kama in Stuttgart. The first flag committee was headed by Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first President of India. The right to manufacture the national flag of India is held by Khadi Development and Village Industries Commission, which in turn allocates it to the regional groups. Being a national symbol, this national flag is respected by every Indian. There are certain do's and don'ts laid down for common people regarding the Indian flag. When the national flag is raised, the saffron color band should be at the top. No flag or emblem should be placed either above the national flag or to the right. All other flags to be placed to the left of national flag if they are hung in a line. When the national flag is carried out in a procession or parade, it shall be on the marching right or in front of the center of the line if there is a line of other flags. Normally, the national flag should be flown over important government buildings like the Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, Supreme Court of India, High Court, Secretariats, Commissioner's Office, etc. The national flag or any imitation of it must not be used for the purpose of trade, business or profession. The national flag should always be taken down in the evening at sunset.